Hey everyone, Casey Watkins here, coming to you for another day of T2X. Pretty pumped about this one. We are starting day 16, so day 15 just ended. Well, day 15 at the auction is right here, so day 14 just ended. This was a low entry day. For anybody that was watching, I ended up jumping in like 3 times my normal amount, almost. So instead of my normal 2000 TRX, I went in at 7,150 to go ahead and get a little extra boost. So let's take a look. I ended up with, let this load. I ended up pulling in 23,426 T2X. So nice little extra bonus for today, because I think people weren't paying attention because of the Bitcoin and Ethereum price actions all over the place. Prices are going everywhere. So I think people forgot about it today. So I'm pretty pumped up. Kind of snuck one in there. So hopefully we're getting closer to withdrawal date. Currently sitting at 4,800 in this one. Almost 900, just over 1,000, 360, 335, 293, 170, and 190. So I have a total investment into this of 29,365 TRX, and well, right there is 56, 66, 7, 73, 76. We'll call that another 3. So 7,900 out. So we're about a third of the way out, and we ain't even finished. We ain't even getting going. This thing's just probably gonna. This thing should just keep going for a while. So basically every day I'll get a reward coming out, a new one starting going in, and my staked coins just keep going higher and higher because I'm getting bonus rewards plus my interest. So every time I restart my staked coins, it just keeps going up. So I am pumped about this one. Just like the music in the background. Freaking pumped. Hell yeah. So if you're not in this one, use a referral link. Mine, anybody's, it don't matter. I prefer it to be mine, but you don't have to use mine just because I said so. There's a lot of people out here promoting this. It will get you 5% bonus for using somebody's referral link to sign up when you buy T2X tokens. It'll give you an extra 5%. So use somebody's, if you're going to sign up, if you're going to do this, use somebody's referral link just for the 5% bonus. Alright, I hope y'all are having a wonderful day and are as freaking pumped about this as I am. I didn't even notice I had 327 T2X sitting there. That's going to sit there till tomorrow. I don't want to cancel it. I mean, I could cancel it, it doesn't really do anything, and just restart it. Oh, coins sitting is coins doing nothing. Alright, we're gonna cancel it. I don't like coins doing nothing. So we click cancel. I normally have to go off that page. Come back, yep, there, that's gone. So 23,753. 10 days. You can also try different days. I just like the 10 days because I could keep my cycle going easily without putting a whole lot more coins into it. So, and I start getting rewards every day. here the next day. Yeah, the next day I should be getting some, so I'm pumped and ecstatic. Let's go ahead and start the stake. Well, here, I'll show you this. So if we go to 15 days, time bonus is 182 extra T2X. 14 days is 169, so just keep in mind the longer you stake. I've got some buddies that are going 60 days and some that are doing 30. Whoa, not 630, just 30. So it's really up to you how long. Just remember, every 5 days is an actual extra bonus day reward. So try to go in 5-day increments. That's the only reason to try to go in 5-day increments if you're going to do it. So that's why I'm sticking to 10 days. Alright, give that a second to populate. Come over here and take a look. Right now we're at 20 minutes in and there's only been 12,000 deposited, and 2 of those were mine, so here's my entry. Obviously this will go up. I'm pretty sure tomorrow it'll be back over 2 million, or for this day it'll be over 2 million. So day 15, let me know in the comments below how y'all's is doing. So I've already got some buddies that have pulled out already. I believe one of them gets theirs coins today and he is getting a crap ton back. So he's pumped. Kind of excited to see all the screenshots and hear y'all's comments. Let me know in the comments below if you've got a stake released and coins put back into your wallet, how well you did on it. Alright, talk to y'all later. Bye bye.